To Cool Crafts. Today we are going to learn a multi-purpose keychain. I call this keychain as a multi-purpose because I have attached a small pouch to this keychain holder. In this pouch we can keep any small things like a pen drive, a pair of earrings, and it will be very easy for us to take from this. Let's see the things which are needed to make this multi-purpose keychain. I have taken a small string and I made it this shape to hold the keychain. Otherwise you can buy such keychain holders like this, and we need a Velcrum which helps in sticking the pouch chain, which I'm using it for a decorative purpose, small pearl bead and a strip of jeans cloth. Here we are going to make the pouch with the help of a jeans cloth, so I have taken this. You can take any thick cloth. If you are going to take a thin cloth, you should surely give a lining to it. The length of this jeans strip is almost 12 inches in length and 6 inches in width. We have to take the jeans cloth here and we have to fold it once here and we have to make a stitch here. After finishing the stitch here, we have to take the front side and we have to place the Velcrum in the center of the cloth and we have to make a stitch here. After doing a stitch here, we have to turn it once again and we have to make another sealing. We are doing this because there will be no stitch seen in the front and the finish will be good. In the same way, we will be doing this side also. I will be showing how to do this in one side. I made a single fold and I am going to stitch this. Finish sealing this side. Now I am going to take the front side and I am going to place the Velcrum. I am going to place the small piece of Velcrum this side and I am going to stitch it here. Since this is a small piece, do it slowly and carefully. If you want, you can make a double stitch with Velcrum so that it will come for a very long time. Now cut the extra threads and extra pieces of threads. Now the Velcrum is in the center and we are going to fold it once again and we have to place the Velcrum inside and we have to make another stitch here. Now it is over this side. The same thing I will be repeating this side also. Now I have finished stitching the Velcrum this side also. Now we will be turning this side and I will be using this part to here it will be slightly difficult. Do it slowly. In the same way you have to make a stitch this side also. Now I have finished stitching on both the sides. I am going to slowly turn this pouch. You have to do it very slowly because since this is very small, it will be difficult for us to turn and it will take some time. After turning the pouch will be like this and we have sealed the pouch with the help of a Velcrum. So we can use this pouch easily. Now we are going to keep a handle to this. I already told you that I had taken a old chain. So I am going to use this part of the old chain to make the handle for the pouch. So first I will be opening the pouch and I'll be keeping the chain here, and I'll be making a stitch with the help of a needle. I'll be introducing my hand into this pouch and I'll be making a stitch here. We should not cut this end of the thread first itself. We are going to cut this, all the beads will fall away. So first we have to stitch, then only we have to cut. In the same way we will be stitching this side also. After stitching we will be cutting this chain. So after doing this we will be getting a cute pearl handle. Now I have finished stitching this pearl chain around the small pouch. Now we have to take the keychain ring, and I have attached this small piece of ring here. Now I am going to expand this ring slowly and I am going to attach it here. After attaching this, our multi-purpose keychain is ready. This purse looks very plain, so we have to decorate it. We can keep small stones. Here I have given a pearl chain, so I am going to keep 2 pearl half beads here and I am going to decorate it like this. After decorating and after joining this keychain, this multi-purpose keychain is ready. I have finished sticking the pearls with the help of white gum, and I have attached this keychain ring. Now our multi-purpose keychain is ready. We can attach the respective key and use this. Thanks for watching the video.